This part is known as chemical calculations. Under that, we are going to study the topic of stoichiometry. Let's see यहाँ पे क्या होता है. So suppose there is a chemical reaction in which calcium carbonate on heating gives calcium oxide and CO2. Now, tell me one thing, is Gay-Lussac's law applicable in this sum, in this question?
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं?
So calcium is solid.
Very good. Calcium oxide is a solid, calcium carbonate is a solid. तो यहाँ पर Gay-Lussac's law apply नहीं होगा. Very good. यहाँ पर क्या apply होगा? First of all, you have to balance the chemical reaction, which it is already balanced, so we don't need to worry about that part. In this reaction, it is already balanced. Second, we need to write the molecular weight for solids and the volume for gases. For example, calcium carbonate का molecular weight होता है 100, calcium oxide होता है 56 और CO2 is a gas, तो उसका volume होगा 22.4 liters. ठीक है, 1 मोल का जो वॉल्यूम होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू मोल कॉन्सेप्ट. यहां तक कोई डाउट, किसी को कुछ समझना है? ओके, सो वी कैन सेफली से 100 grams of calcium carbonate gives 56 grams of calcium oxide. Therefore, the question says what is the weight of calcium oxide obtained from 20 grams of calcium carbonate? Simple unitary method laga do. The answer will be 56 by 100 into 20. समझा? It is similar to Gay-Lussac's law, but this case we are applying the molecular weight and we are applying the gas का volume both simultaneously. ठीक है? तो सेम सम में अगर मुझे पूछे what is the volume of CO2 obtained on heating 20 grams of calcium carbonate, so what we'll do is 100 gram gives 22.4 liters. 1 gram कितना देगा वो निकाल लो, 20 grams कितना देगा वो निकाल लो. ठीक है, क्लियर हुआ? चलो, let's look at another question. C plus O2 will give CO2. तो कार्बन इज अ सॉलिड, उसका मास ले लो 12 grams. ऑक्सीजन 22.4 liters. CO2 formed is also 22.4 liters. ठीक है? So my question is, what is the volume of CO2 obtained from 48 grams of carbon. Try करो.
$89.6 liters.
Very good. So 12 gives 22.4 liters. 1 gram gives 22.4 by 12 and 48 कितना देगा? 22.4 by 12 into 48. 89. Clear one? Let's take another question. Let's say we have a compound KNO3, potassium nitrate, which on heating gives potassium nitrite KNO2 and oxygen gas. Now the question is, what is the weight of potassium nitrite obtained on heating 15.15 grams of potassium nitrate? The question further says, what will be the volume of oxygen obtained? So बताओ first step क्या होना चाहिए?
Balance.
Excellent, balance. Balance कर दो. अच्छा, good thing for these reactions is most of the time ये reaction हम लोग को question में दे देगा. Balanced या unbalanced but question में दे देगा. तो half the task तो is anyways done. ठीक है. Potassium nitrate का molecular weight बताओ भाई. Potassium is 39 in case you need to know.
So what's nitrogen?
14.
So 85.
170.
No.
So it's 2 KNO2, na?
हाँ जी.
So 222.
202.
Oh.
अरे भाई बड़ा सिंपल है. देखो पोटेशियम इज 39,
I took 49.
नाइट्रोजन इज 14, ऑक्सीजन इज 48. ऐड करने पे कितना आएगा? 101. और ऐसा दो मॉलिक्यूल है. तो इसका मास होगा 202 ग्राम. What is the mass of KNO2?
So 170.
Good. And what is the volume of oxygen? ठीक है. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन था 15.15 ग्राम कितना देगा. चलो करते हैं. सिंपल यूनिटरी मेथड है. तो 170 by 202 into 15.15 जो आएगा उतना ग्राम्स. यहां पर भी सेम चीज करेंगे. 170 by 20 गलती हो गया ना. 22.4 liter by 202 into 15.1. दोनों आंसर बताओ कितना आएगा.
So KNO2 is 12.75.
That's correct.
1.68.
Good. Is everybody clear with this so far? Anish?
Yes, sir.
Good. किसी के मन में कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो. Okay, let's go on to the next question then. बोला है butane is a compound which burns in air to form CO2 and H2O. पहला काम क्या करेंगे?
Balance.
Balance. Quickly balance it and tell me what will be the reaction. कितना आया? ठीक है. सो देखो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ ब्यूटेन क्या होगा? ये पूरा होगा 116. How much oxygen is given? 13 into 22.4 liters. How much CO2 is produced? 8 into 22.4 liters. So therefore 58 grams क्या देगा? 13 into 22.4 into 58 by 116 कर दो, आंसर आ जाएगा.
So is it 145.6?
ओरली कर देते हैं. देखो ये आएगा हाफ into 22.4 is 11.2. 11.2 into 13 will be 150 something. कितना बताया? कितना
So
है आंसर?
145.6.
11. हाँ ठीक है, 145.6. क्लियर हुआ? सिमिलरली इसका आंसर आएगा, देखना 8 into 22.4 into 58 by 116. तो आंसर will be 89.6 liters. Next, there is a compound calcium nitrate. So first we need to balance this. ठीक है. The question says calculate the volume of nitrogen dioxide obtained when The weight of calcium oxide obtained is 16.4. No, it was not. Calcium oxide is not 16.4. Calcium nitrate heated is 16.4 grams. So actually they want two things in the question, the weight of calcium oxide and the volume of nitrogen dioxide. देखो molecular weight of calcium nitrate कितना है हम आप लोगों को बता देते हैं, it is 164. तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 164 into 2, तो 328 grams of calcium nitrate will give how much calcium oxide? 1112 grams. And how much of nitrogen dioxide will be formed? 4 into 22.4 liters. ठीक है, तो 16.4 कितना के संग रिएक्ट करेगा, इट्स द क्वेश्चन. 112 into 16.4 by 328. देखो कितना आया,
2.24.
That's correct. और ये कितना आया वो भी देख लो.
$17 point something.
ये वाला आंसर मुझे गलत लग रहा है, ये वाला 2.24 वाला, एक बार कैलकुलेशन चेक करो तो.
So 5.6.
गलत है ना? हाँ मुझे लगा. And how much is for this one?
4.48.
Okay.
4.48.
4 point क्या? Okay. क्लियर हुआ यहाँ तक? So what you need to do now is do all the question answers from this chapter. विराज दलाल कंसाइज दोनों बुक का कंबाइन करके.
चैप्टर का नाम क्या था फिर भूल गया.
केमिकल कैलकुलेशंस. अलग अलग बुक में अलग अलग नाम से है, जिसमें वो गेलुसेक्स लॉ वगैरह था ना, वही वाला.